Hello students, my name is Birbal Kumar, your maths teacher. Let's do the question number 6 today. From median, 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distributions of the number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as follows. Number of letters, this is a number of letters and number of surnames. Determine the median number of letters in the surnames. Find the mean number of letters in the surnames. Also find the model size of the surnames. We have to find out the surname through median, through mean, and through model. Okay, that is called mode. We'll do first median. This is our question. So this is the number of letters and number of surnames, that is frequency. We have to find out cumulative frequency in median, right? So we are doing this one, median. First of all, we will write over here 6, then we will add the value, that is 6 plus 30. This cumulative frequency will be added with the frequency. 6 plus 30 will be 36. Again 36 plus 40, what we can write, that is 76. Again we'll add with 16. If we add with 16, we'll get 6 6 12, 1 carry, 7 8 9. Again if you add 92 plus 4, that is 96. If you add 96 plus 4, you will get here 100. So you got n as 100. Also you will get this one, n is equal to 100. Okay, now we'll apply the formula in median. Since n by 2 is equal to 100 by 2, that is 50, then 50 we'll see from the cumulative frequency. This is our cumulative frequency. 50 will not lies over here. 36, 50 also, 50 will not lies over here, but 50 will lies over here. Okay, in 76 we cannot take less than 50. Okay, somewhere 50 will lies over here in this median class. In this median class the 50 will lies. Okay, we'll see from the cumulative frequency. Now this will be called as the frequency, and this we call as the cumulative frequency of the median class. Okay, cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. This is the frequency of the median class, and this is the median class. Okay, so which lies between the median class, which lies between the median class 7 to 10. Okay, so lower limit will be what? Lower limit, that is L, will be 7. This will be our lower limit. These are lower limit. We have to take 7. Now what is the difference? You see the difference will be 3, right? So you can say class size, that is H is 3. Okay, now frequency of the median class, frequency of the middle class F is 40. Cumulative frequency of the median class of the preceding median class of the preceding median class is CF, preceding median class CF 36. Now by using formula median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF into H divided by F. This is the formula. What is our lower limit? We have got the lower limit is 7. N by 2 is our 50. What is our CF? CF is our 36. H is our 3. H is our 3, that is class size, and frequency is 40. So 7 plus, if you minus this one, 14 into 3 divided by 40. Okay, now this one is 7. If you multiply 14 3 is a 14, 14 1 is a 14, 14 2 is a 20, 14 3 is a 42 divided by 40. What you can do? You can cancel from both sides. You can cancel, right? If you cancel from both the side, what will you get? From 2 we can cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 220 is a 7 plus 21 by 20. Now you can divide. If we divide, what will you get? 21s are 21. Now 20 cannot divide, so you have to give here 0. Again we cannot divide, right? So I have to give here 10. If I give here 10, what will I get? 20. Means 10. Decimal I have to give here. Again, how many times we have to take? 5. 20 5 is 100. So we will get 70 plus 1.05. If we add, we will get 8.05. Understood? Because 21s are 20. 1 is over here. So afterwards, what you have to do? There is no 0. So we have to give here decimal. We have to bring here 0. Then again we cannot divide, so there I have given again 1 0. If we bring 2 0 over here, we have to give here 0. Then 25 is 100. Now we are going to find the same question, that is question number 6. Question number 6 from for mean. So this is the question, this is our frequency. We have to find out the mid value, that is xi. We know we have to add, that is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. If we divide by 2, we'll get 2.5. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 divided by 5 will get 5.5. Okay, so 2.5 and 5.5, what is the difference? The difference is 3. You can see, if the difference is 3, we can add 3 value in each of the mid value. If I add here 3, I will get here 8.5. If I add here 3, I will get here 11.5. If I add again 14.5, if I add here again 3, I will get 17.5. You see, if you add 16 and 19, that is lower limit and upper limit, if you divide by 2, you will get 17.5. okay, now this one we have to find through assume mean methods, right? So di is equal to xi minus a. So we can take the assume mean from here. Let's take the assume mean from here. This is our assume mean. Okay, that is a. These are assume mean. If I take this assume mean, means this is our xi and particular is our assume mean. So we have to minus x minus a. It is our x and it is our a. If we minus with the same value, we'll get 0. And we know the difference is what? 3. So if we go up, we'll get here minus 3. Again I will get minus 6 and I will get here minus 9. Okay. Upside, if you move to the upside, you will get negative. If you move to the downside, you will get positive value. Now here 3, positive 3, and here positive 6. Okay, if you keep on minusing, you will get. Okay, so now fi di, we can say this one fi, frequency. Okay, we can say this fi. Now what do we have to do? We have to multiply this fi and di. This is our fi and is our di. So if we multiply, let's see what we get. 6 9s are 54. This one, if you multiply, you will get 30 into 6. 6 3s are 18, 180. Then this and this will get 3 3s are 9, 90. 16 into 0, you get 0. 4 3s are 12, 4 6 are 24. If you plus this value, here will be 4 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 9 23. This is our 23. Okay, 3 and 1 carry, 2 carry, that is 2 plus 1 3, 334 minus 334. If I add here again 2 plus 4 6, 1 plus 2 3. Again, if you minus 334 with plus 36, we will get over here sigma fi di. If I minus, we'll get minus 334 with 36. If you minus over here, what we will get here? 14. No? 14 minus 6, it will be 8. It will be here 12. 12 minus 3, here will be 9. 12 here 2. So negative, right? Negative 298. And here we'll get the sigma fi, that is 100. Okay. Now this is, here you see, here the frequency, is 40 over here. Okay, the frequency is 40. If we multiply this one, 40 into minus 3, we will get here 3 4s are 12, means 120. Okay, so here value is, we have calculated wrong, right? So if we calculate 4, here will be 4 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 1 carry, 2, 3, minus 354, and here plus 36. If we minus here, what we will get? Let's see. Minus 354 and plus 36 we will get here 8. Now it will be 4. 4 minus 3, 1, minus 318. So here will be minus 318. Sigma Fi di is equal to minus 318, and this is our 100. Now we'll apply the formula by using formula for assume mean, right? Assume mean. Mean is equal to a plus sigma Fi di divided by sigma Fi. What is our a? 11.5. This is our a. What is sigma Fi di? Is our minus 318. Sigma Fi is 100. 11.5 plus minus 318 divided by 100. So there is 100. We can move 2 digits to the left hand side. 11.5, if we move, we'll get 1 point over here, point, right? So 3.18. 3.18. We have to move to the left hand side 2 times. 1, 2. So decimal will be over here. Okay, decimal will be, we have to move to the left hand side 2 digits. So decimal will be over here. 1, 2 here. So 3.8. So if we minus 11.5, 3.180. If we minus, it will be 2. It will be 4. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 1, 3. It will be 11 minus 3 is 8. So 8.32 is our answer of mean. Okay. Again we are going to find the same question number 6 for mode. For mode answers. Okay, what do you have to see? We have to see the highest frequency. Highest frequencies is 40. Okay, highest frequency is 40. So now we have to write over here, since the highest frequency is 40, which lies in the model class, 7 to 10, right? So this will be called as the F1. The preceding one will be called as the F0, and this one will be called as the F2. Means this one is frequency of the model class. This one will be called as the frequency of the preceding model class, and this one will be called as the frequency of the succeeding model class. So we'll write over here, lower limit that is L is our 7. Class size class size, that is H. What is the class size? Class size will be 3. Frequency of the model class, that is Fi is equal to 40. Frequency of the preceding model class, that is F0 is equal to 30. Frequency of the succeeding model class, that is F2 is 16. Okay, now we'll apply the formula over here. By applying formula, mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Okay, or into H. What is our L? L is our 7. What is our sigma Fi? We have got 40 minus, what is our F0? 30. Then 2 into 40 minus F0 is 30, and F2, what we got? F2 is our 16. Okay, and what is our age difference? Difference is 3. Now 7 plus, if I minus here, I will get this one, 30 into 3. If I multiply 2 for 80, it will be 80 minus 30 minus 36, I will get this one, minus 46. 7 10 into 3, if I minus this one, 80 minus 46, I will get here 4. It will be 7 minus 4 is 3, 34. Now we can, what we can do? We can cancel, right? 2 5s are 2, 2 17s are 34. Then 5 into 3 by 17. Then 7 plus, we can multiply 5 3s are 15 divided by 17. So 7 plus, if we divide 15 with 17, it's not possible, so 0. I have to give you a decimal, then again here 0. If I multiply, how many times we have to take? 17 8s are 17, not 17 8s, I think 17 sevens are 119. 17 8s are 100, 136. If I minus, I will get here 4. It will be 4 1 0. Again 17 8s are 136. I will get here again 4, then here 0, 17, 17 2s are 34. So after decimal we can take 3 digits, right? So it will be 80.882. So if you add, you will get 7.888. Okay, 88. So this is our mode. So we have solved questions. Question number 6, question number 6, median, mean and mode, the same questions. Okay, 6. Thank you.